Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's a big welcome back to my YouTube channel because it's been over 6 months, 6 solid months that I actually did like a proper video, and I'm very sorry. It was not intentional. A lot of things actually happened in between, and I'm also going to be sharing all of that in this video. This is not going to be a long video at all. It's going to be a short video just to give you updates on what has been happening, so that you don't think that I actually neglected you. No, I can't do that. I don't have the ability. I don't have the rights. I cannot. You guys are the reason why I'm actually here. And a few days ago, we actually entered 9K subscribers. Can you guys believe that? It's so amazing. When I saw it, I was like, wow. Even without me being physically available sharing content, you guys are still actually watching my videos and subscribing to my channel, and I'm so excited. I'm very honored. Thank you so much. You are the real MVP. So going into what actually happened to me, I actually, first of all, in the month of May, I got a new job. But before I actually resumed for my job, I misplaced my phones. I was using an iPhone XS Max and a Tecno, I think Tecno's Camon 16. Then that was in May, and I misplaced the two phones in a day. Can you believe? It was a very, like, I did not cry, but I was so pained. Like, how am I going to, like, I'm supposed to travel because I'm already jumping. I'm going ahead of myself. I'm not currently in my location. I used to live in Lagos before, but I actually relocated from Lagos. I know some of you on my status must have seen some hints here and there of the current location that I am now. But for the sake of this video, I'm also going to be telling you I moved from Lagos in the month of May. I moved to Asaba. So I've been in Asaba since May for my new job that I'm doing. So that's where I'm living right now. And it's been a lot. It's been a lot. After I misplaced my phone, I was supposed to move from Lagos like 3 days before I misplaced my phone. It was a lot of things. It was a lot of things to do. I had to prepare. I had to ensure that I had, like, it was so much. I could not just cope. It was a lot. But I actually moved. I've been working, and it's like a new phase, a new everything. So I'm just trying to like understand this moments that I have, and that's why I have not really created any video. I'm so sorry. Going forward, I did not want to post the video I have already. That's why I want to do like a reintroduction video to say, okay, I'm sorry, now I'm here. We are going to continue. I will continue posting videos from this moment, and we are going to ensure that 2024 is going to be a glorious one. So there are also going to be some new dynamics to the channel, in the sense that I know I've actually been creating content on how to make money online and all of those things. And if you know me, I don't like to share things that I have not tried before or things that I'm not doing. Do you understand? I don't want to just go online, get information and just come and tell you. I want to also practicalize those things that I'll be telling you. And for the sake of that, and because of what I'm doing currently, it may not give me the opportunity to 100% do that. So for that reason, there's going to be some new dynamics, although I'm also going to be sharing content on how to make money online, but tailored more towards some people. I've seen some videos where some guys share videos of what they did, how they made some amount of money online, and sometimes I'm like, is this even real? Do you get, like, someone that does a make money online content? I ask myself, is this even real? So what I want to be doing is also try out those things that those guys said they did, in quotes. Try it. Then when I get result, I can also come and share with you to say, okay, well, this is what this person said they did. I tried it, it worked. Or I tried it, it didn't work. So don't bother to even stress yourself to go through that lane. So that's what it's going to be. It's also going to still be a make money online. Then here and there, I'm also going to be putting in vlogs. Maybe if I go out, places I visit here in Asaba. And I can also take you through like a day in my life, in my job. I can also do those kind of videos. But I know majority of my subscribers came here because of make money online content, so those contents are still going to be up and rolling, but we're also going to be adding some spice. 2024, I believe is going to be very exciting. You can actually leave your questions like in the comment section of this video the kind of videos you want me to do. I may be suggesting something that maybe you are never interested in, you want something else, so you can tell me the kind of videos that you want, extra things that you want me to be doing on the channel. And like, I'm here for you. Like I said earlier, my 9K subscribers, it's because of you guys that I'm here. So I won't be here if you guys are not here. And so once again, I want to say thank you very much. And I'm also going to be using this opportunity to wish you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you all in 2024. Bye.